Look at that, I got some goodies. This is all for the furnace. There's more downstairs yet. Go check it out. There's my furnace. So all this is for the furnace, for the ducting. Just came in today. Getting stuff done here. Got all the ventilation stuff in. They're just installing all the ducting today, cutting all the holes for the venting. So we go over here. And I'm going to put the floor down today. So there's one there. And there's one in the kitchen area here. There's a couple in the kitchen area actually. So there's one right there. And there'll be a few more. They're just getting started here. So I'll show you more later. I'm gonna try to get this floor in. Just cleaning up my area right now. There's one right there. We'll talk to you in a bit.
Hey, this is Cody Ferguson. I'm just putting in all the duct work and the furnace in right now and going for that.
Yeah? So you're just cutting everything in?
Yeah.
Well, that's cool. So you just rest those up there and then seal them from the top, or?
Yeah.
Nice.
Just
Well,
kind of tacking them in place right now.
That's awesome. That's really cool. It's also a fellow hunter.
Yeah, I do a lot of hunting around here, so.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, might have to go for a trip or two.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
For sure.
Well, we'll get back to work here, I guess, and we'll take a look around. Hopefully later on, guys, I'll have this floor all done. I'm going to try to get it done all the way up to here, and then where the furnace goes right here, so everybody can, so they can set it all up and get it running, because currently it's just blowing up the stairs there. So I'll just put it from here, just a little piece from here to here, but I got to fit those other boards in, so I'm going to get to that. Alright, ciao. Buddy. Well, it's time for me to go. I just have to finish up doing some dishes and stuff, and just running a line here. And earlier Cody was on, he was doing the vents, and had to go to another job there. So there's a few there, and I'll show you upstairs. There's another one over here somewhere, kicking around. Not too sure where they're all cut here. Oh, there's one there. The furnace is going to go right here in this area. I've marked off 48, so from there to there is 48, so I could put a board there. I didn't get to it today. I was hoping I would, but this is a lot of work, a lot of measuring, a lot of figuring. And I also do a general cleanup, just vacuum everything, get it clean. Pretty much all down here I'm done. I'm gonna vacuum upstairs just to get everything straightened up and cleaned up there, and then just gotta do some other stuff and then hit the road. So right now it's Monday night, and I believe it's January the 9th, and I have a lot of stuff to do in Winnipeg, so I'm gonna get back to doing that. But I'll take you upstairs. I'm gonna grab this vacuum here too. Let's go up there. I want to get all this, so I want to vacuum everything. I gotta do a big cleanup here anyways. It's been doing a lot of work. They gotta cut a vent there. There's one there. And that was the one there they cut. And that's for that window there. There's another vent right there. One right there. And this is your cold air return. And there'll be one in the bathroom right there. And there's another cold air return. It's got to be roughed in. And then another one. And And here's the bedroom. One there. And one there. So, looking forward to getting that done. But it'll be probably another couple of weeks before I get that floor done. So, he'll have to do what he can now. And then finish up later. But anyhow, I've got some dishes to do here. Yeah, dirty old grimy greasy dishes. So I want to get those done before I leave. And right now the clock is 4 minutes to 6. So you guys have a good night. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. And I'm gonna hit the local Dairy Queen on the way home and get myself a little peanut butter parfait, I think, and then maybe a spicy chicken burger from McDonald's. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, gotta go, gotta run. We'll see you next time. Ciao. On another note, it feels great to finally have everything in. Now, just have to finish from there to here with the foam, and then get the rest of the 4x8 sheets down. These ones are just there so people don't fall through when they're walking. I got some people working here, so yeah, it's definitely a big check off the list. So whew, it's been good. It's been real good. So just waiting for that little spot right there. That's where the furnace is going. So it'll be a couple more weeks, but it'll be in. And then Norm's coming down on the 16th. I think on the 6th. Well, I think that might be next Monday. He's not coming down to the house. I'm picking him up at the airport. Getting back from Churchill at around 10 o'clock, I guess, at night. And then Norm and I are going to come back here and we're going to hammer down some of this stuff here. Norm, I did PL these two here, and when I did that before I realized that board right there, you see it right there, it's out a quarter. So I was just thinking I can cut the tongue off the back there and slide it in. So anyways, they're all this one and that one, but Norm knows what he's doing, so especially when it comes to laying down all this stuff. So I'm gonna get his hand to give me a hand doing that. We could sheet it all at once. Anyways, there's another add-on to my add-on to my add-on. Y'all have a good night. Ciao. Just leaving, folks. Time to go home. So, that's it. That's the house. Gotta love Manitoba, peeps. This is why I'm driving through again. Here, I'll give you a chiller. Check this out. I'll let you know when I get back.
Versus my father.